Welcome to Chateau, a great place to keep your Eldar stuff and a really cool place to work. Let's explore the Chateau schedule. As you can see, we've launched the schedule from the home screen, the navigation panel. We're going to go ahead and collapse that so we can focus on the schedule. We ran it 19 minutes ago. It's designed to run at 4 a.m. every morning so that you have a fresh, up-to-date schedule whenever you come to work. You can manage this schedule and refresh it through any period after the time the schedule was run, as far into the future as you want to go. And you can see that we've run the schedule on the components in Unit 1, and we have 400 inspections planned over the course, and the next one has its earliest due date of February 19th. We ran this schedule on February 13th, so those are obviously some weekly components. We can look at the frequency or the lunit. We're looking in Unit 1. We can expand it now, and there you have a look at all the components, all the inspections that are due in this particular run. We can adjust the number of total monitoring events by flexing this schedule. You can see we have some AVO annuals. We have 24 of those. There's one occurrence in this period, which means we have 24 times 1, we have 24 service events between now and 12/31. AVO quarterlies, we have 10 of those, and we have 4 occurrences of that, one for each of the 4 quarters of this year, so we have 40. And so we're actually enabling you to get a look at the amount of work that has to be done between now and the end of the year. You can change this schedule by simply going up here and saying, I'd like to know what I have to get done by the end of February. You just go to the calendar, you hit refresh, and you can see how long it took Chateau to tell you you have 179 monitoring events due in the month of February. If you say, well, what does the end of the quarter look like? Well, that's the end of March, and that's how fast Chateau can answer that question for you. You have 357 monitoring events in Unit 1 between now. And by the same token, if I want to look at this till the end of the second quarter, that would be the end of June. You get the picture. It doesn't take long to run these schedules. But let's push it back out to the end of the year. That's 12/31/2017, and refresh the schedule. And here you can see what you're looking at. You have M21 monthlies, you have M21 MMQs, which are the 2 consecutive months not leaking, and then it goes on quarterly. And you can do your manpower planning based on these 1,961 inspection events. And if you want to just look straight at the frequency numbers without having the lunits involved, you can do that. This panel obviously expands and contracts for the number of lunits you have, the number of monitoring events you're trying to manage. And down here in another video, we'll explore the non-periodic. That's the schedule. That's how much control and information Chateau gives you. Thank you for doing this exploration, and the most important question is, how can we make it better?